Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up notifications and alerts in Bluevine. It's going to help you to stay updated on your Bluevine account activities. So yeah, here's a couple of steps to get it done. First step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard using the mobile app, or you can choose to do that on the website. Next step, from the main menu, just tap settings. After that, you're going to select notifications or alerts. Now you're going to review the options. Bluevine typically offers alerts for deposits, withdrawals, for low balances, bill payments, and of course for suspicious activities. Next step is to toggle the notification that you want. For example, you can enable low balance alerts to receive a message if your account drops below a set amount. Next step is to choose how you'd like to receive alerts. You got a couple of options. You have email, SMS, or push notifications in the mobile app. So go ahead and select exactly how you want to receive it. You could even select all three. Next is to tap save to confirm your preferences. And from now on, Bluevine will notify you automatically, giving you real-time updates on key account activities and helping you to manage your business funds securely. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.